Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing two items for you guys. The first one is a brand new miner from MagicMiner. It is called the MO01. This thing is completely awesome. I absolutely love this thing. I hope you guys like it too. Stay tuned and finish watching it. And the other item is actually going to be another crypto miner tool, which is going to be used for my Goldshell Byte. Video on that coming soon. All right, let's dive into the next video. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Hey everyone, check it out. I got two new packages in today. One of these is from, I think, MagicMiner. I did just get a new thing with them where I got a discount code and referral link. And I think one of these is actually from there. And the other one is from another contest that I won over the holiday season from Goldshell. So if I were to take a guess which one's which, I'm going to say this is probably the new MagicMiner unit. And this is probably the unit from Goldshell. So let's go ahead and get these packages opened really quick and see what we got on the inside. I'm super excited. I can't wait. Oh, look at that, guys. I got the new XT card. I've been wanting one of these for a little while. I'm super excited I got this thing finally. Turns out I won one, so I'm super excited. I can't wait to get this guy installed, which actually leads into another video I'm getting ready to do, which is actually going to be on the Goldshell Byte. So we know what one of the items is. Let's see what the other item is, right? I'm really excited for this one too, because if this is what I think it is, this is a brand new unit that MagicMiner has just released. And I don't really know much about it, so we're going to have to do some research on it ourselves to figure out what exactly it's capable of doing and what it looks like. So, as you can see, a lot of bubble wrap on the outside. I'm going to have a fun time later, right? Everyone loves doing this with the bubble wrapping. You can't really hear it, but you guys know what I'm trying to do. So let's go ahead and finish getting this bubble wrap taken off of this, and let's see what's on the inside. Yep, right there. Check it out, guys. Brand new. Check it out, guys. This is called, well, it says on here, Emberix Market Oracle. MM-003. That is the call sign for this. So let's take a look at some more stuff with MagicMiner. So this one does say brand philosophy. Mining made magical. It's awesome. And this is what this unit is capable of doing. So as you can, hopefully you guys can see it in the camera, but this says multi-market display, desktop smart terminal. It's got a built-in speaker. Holy crap. I knew about the wireless charging, but I know this thing had a speaker on the inside. I am super excited. Check that out, guys. It also mines too. 1000 kilohash. Heck yeah. Super stoked. Let's get this guy open. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Let's see here. So I guess it opens up like this. Wow, look at this. I like the presentation. So the bottom, here's our owner's manual. And unfortunately, I can't read this. So this is gonna take some deciphering, I think. What do you guys think, huh? Let's see here. Power adapter. Oh, look at that. They did send me a US-based power adapter. That's awesome. It looks like it's actually a pretty nice, cool little setup. Sit there, slide it, and lock it in place. All right, so let's slide this back in, and let's open up this top one. Let's see what's on the inside. Oh, look at this bad boy. Holy smokes, this is really cool. So here's the wireless charging portion on the top. Here is the speaker portions, looks like. And you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to grab this extension cord I got over here sitting right next to me. And I want to power it up just to see what it looks like as far as lighting up. We're going to set this guy up here in a little bit as well. And I sort of wonder now, because if you guys saw my previous video, I did find out that the MagicMiner FM01 that I have actually does work with the Hash Watcher app. So I wonder if this will show up in there too. But give me 1 minute and we're gonna find this out. So via YouTube magic, this thing will be fired up in a second. There we go, guys. I went ahead and dude, that is so awesome. Obviously, we're not set up to for Wi-Fi yet, but we're gonna get that figured out here in a minute. But I do have a cell phone here that does allow for wireless charging, so let's see what happens when we put it on top. There we go. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but if you look right up here in the top corner, and even right down here, it does say charging wirelessly. Let's do that again for you guys, eh? That is awesome. I'm super excited. I really am. I really like this thing. Look at this guy. It's actually really cool. Connect to Wi-Fi first. Here we go. So you can see right there it says Wi-Fi settings. Let's go ahead and click on this bad boy. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through this really quick. Right here you can see it does say scan for Wi-Fi, so I'm going to hit that here in a second. Once I get that all set up, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's actually powered on. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys. So looks like my camera is going to die here in a minute. I forgot to bring another battery, but anyways, I do have it all set up right now. So if we come in here, right here, we can go ahead and add a watch list. So we can go ahead and add different coins. Yeah, looks like we're right there. We're mining. Which is good. We have to actually go into the computer, so that's where I'm going to meet you here in a minute to actually walk you through the rest of the setup on here. So that way we can go ahead and get this bad boy mining on our pool of choice. So I'll be right back. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys. So you guys were able just to watch me unbox actually two really cool items in one video. The first one is actually the MagicMiner what is it called again? It's right here. MO01. So this little guy is awesome. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to walk you guys through the setup of this unit itself. I am going to be putting this on my Via BTC solo BCH pool because why not? I want to go ahead and see if I can get a solo Bitcoin cash block because they're a little bit easier to hit than the other Bitcoin or SHA-256 blocks that are out there. So I'm going to go ahead and spread my stuff out, and actually probably here really soon, I do plan on giving you guys my final review on the MagicMiner FM01, which right here they have it on this page as well. So first and foremost, this is MagicMiner's website. I have this link down in the description. If you guys are interested in buying anything from MagicMiner, please use it and use my referral link or referral code, which is Mystic1. You will be able to save some money. So far, so good. I really like this device. Let's go ahead and click on here so we can take a look at what it actually does. We did walk through some of the stuff really quick, and I thought it was really cool. I can't wait to actually finish setting this guy up. But here you get a chance to see this is what the screen looks like. I did show you guys before, and I will probably do a short on this guy here in a little bit anyways. I'm not so sure about this right here, how it shows the Ethereum Classic coin. I'm going to have to do some more research on that one, but it does show Ethereum Classic for some reason, but it also shows Bitcoin. I do know that this is a BCH, and it is 1,000 kilohash. Super excited. This is basically, they're giving you guys some screenshots of what it looks like. I'm interested to see what this is going to sound like with the music playing. I can't wait to get this set up with that as well. So with all that being said, here are some of the specs itself. So right here you could see that the crypto algorithm that it is mining is SHA-256. So any Bitcoin related coin, whether it's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Digibyte, any of those other coins that are on the SHA-256 algo, you should be able to go ahead and mine with it. Now, please be mindful that at 1,000 kilohash, you're not going to be making a lot of money with this thing. But it is also really cool for the simple fact it's a wireless Bluetooth speaker as well as a wireless charger. Super excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna have this sitting right here on my desk, and when people come into my classroom, they're gonna see it and like, dude, what is that? And I can't wait to talk about it. I'm really excited with it for this guy. I will tell you guys here probably in another video what my actual thoughts are on this and whether or not it's really worth getting. But I will tell you right now, my personal opinion is it's awesome. I can't wait to go ahead and finish getting this guy set up. So let's do that really quick. So I already went ahead and put the IP address into my browser. So this is what the web GUI looks like. And this is the stratum that they're using for via BTC. And if you look at my stratum here inside of via BTC, it shows it's the same one, but we're just going to go ahead and double click on that, and we're going to come in here and paste that in here just to be on the safe side, because it does say BTC and I want to do BCH. And my name on here, go figure, is Mystic Orb, right? That's what I call myself. So let's go ahead and get this set up, and we're going to go ahead and do what is this, the M0 or MO01, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do X as my password. So we're going to go ahead and hit submit, and it's going to should restart, which it's doing right now. So now it's going to go ahead and restart. While it's doing all that, I do want to go and point out a couple other things right here. I did see that we can actually upload screensaver images. I'm sure you guys can probably hear it. It just fired back up. I really do like this opening sound that they did. I really think they did a good job with this guy right here. I've got to get the Bluetooth set up so that way I can play audio from it as well. But let's see here. We can do upload screensaver. So this is the original screensaver that they have. You could add your own. You can also upload a boot video if you want. Alarm music. We can actually play different alarms here. Let's go ahead and see what one of them sounds like. You guys probably can't hear that, but that is birds chirping. Alarm 2 is a babbling brook, which sounds pretty cool. 3 is just water flowing. That one I would not like. And then 4 and 5 aren't doing really much of anything right now. So anyways, let's go back to the dashboard. We went ahead and we did change the pool, so it should be ramping up here in a minute. If this is anything like the FM01 that I have, it'll take a little bit of time for everything to finally start pumping out and mining. So with all that being said, me personally, I'm really excited to have this guy, and I think it's going to be worth it. If you look at the cost of this thing, it's $149 right now on sale. If you guys use my discount code, you might be able to get a little bit cheaper than that. As far as shipping wise, this thing came in pretty quick. So for right now, with this initial video, I'm gonna say 2 thumbs up. I like it, and let's see what it's like when it's actually running for a little bit. So with all that being said, I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. It really means the world to me that you guys are here with me along for this journey. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Please let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see in the future. And yeah, I want to say give a very, very, very special thank you to MagicMiner. They did send me this for a review and unboxing video. I am ultra grateful for them. This thing is awesome. I can't wait to see the new units that are coming out. I'm super stoked, super excited. So with all that being said, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the bell notification set to all. That way you guys don't miss out on any future videos like this. And yeah, I'm super stoked. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.